Hi everyone, so I am on the College Board Study Guide, Calculators Practice Test number 1, Calculator Math section number 29. And I really love this question because it's testing your understanding of factors and notations and points on graphs. So I hope that we recognize that if something is in the form f of x equals y, so something like this, f at 2 equals 3, or f at 5 equals 7, they actually represent points on the graph. So this would be the point 2, 3, and this would be the point 5, 7. Now we also know that if we get the point f at 5 equals 0, that is the point 5, 0. And that is the x-intercept. The x-intercept. And we need to recall that intercepts are factors. So, and remember when we factored polynomials and we ended up with like x minus 5 and x plus 2, those were factors of x squared minus 3x minus 10. Those were factors of this polynomial, and they represented the x-intercepts of the graph. So if we have function notation where the output is 0, then we know that 5 is a factor of the polynomial. But in this case, it says for a polynomial p of x, the value of p at 3 is negative 2. Which of the following is true about p of x? Well, the fact of the matter is I know p at 3 doesn't equal 0. So I know that 3 is not a factor. And actually, none of these are represented by that information. So even if I didn't know that D was the answer, I would know that that 3 was not a factor, and the result, and these don't give me enough information to get those as answers. But what this means, P at 3 is negative 2. It's saying at the factor of x minus 3, the opposite, because remember x minus 5 would give me the factor of 5, and this would give me the factor of negative 2. So at that factor, the remainder, the result, or the output would be negative 2. So D would be my answer. All right, guys, I know that that's a pretty challenging question and might take some extra practice thinking about the factor theorem from Algebra 2. Hopefully that was helpful, though. Okay? Have a great day.